Hey guys, so today I'm gonna make nachos for the kiddos. Kanina I already prepared the meat. So this one is only ground beef and then I sauteed it onions and then garlic and then I added some pepper and then the taco powder that I have. I also added a little bit of tomato paste for that reddish color. Now let's assemble. Okay, so we have the nacho chips. Tap lang natin. And so to assemble it, I want to make some layers kasi most of the time, di ba, yung nasa top lang, yung toppings lang yung nauubos usually. So we're gonna put some layers. So this is the first layer. We put the meat and then add chips and then put meat again. Layer natin. Then we add the cheese. So I'm using this Magnolia cheesy squeeze. Very convenient, diba? So we just swirl. Okay. Then I actually have jalapenos, black olives, and green olives. This is our last layer, and we add the jalapenos and the other toppings, the black olives, yes. And then we add a lot of cheese. Then salsa, top it off. This is actually my homemade salsa. Let's try it.